A recent measles outbreak in the United States has opened a debate about vaccines and exposed the danger that vaccination skeptics could pose to public health. Our correspondent Alexandra Hall has more.
Herd immunity theory says that if one person gets sick with a vaccine-preventable disease, it probably won't spread because most people in society are already vaccinated. But over 120 cases of measles spawned from an outbreak believed to have started at Disneyland late last year has exposed that some children aren't part of the herd.
Instead of this herd immunity where almost everybody was vaccinated, now you have these big pockets of people who are unvaccinated, and one person can touch off, sort of a mini epidemic, which is exactly what we're seeing right now.
All states require parents to vaccinate their children for most infections like measles by the time they're 1 year old. But some now allow non-medical exemptions based on religious or philosophical beliefs, a personal decision that's now a political debate.
The poor have an issue with vaccinations, but you also have perhaps this kind of elitist view that we don't trust the government. We know better than the government about what should happen to our children.
The most recent outbreak prompted some schools and clinics to turn away unvaccinated children. But a recent study finds that only 1 in 10 Americans think vaccines are not safe for children.
I'm not convinced that there are really negative aspects to it.
So does the government have the right to mandate vaccinations? Some say yes.
If you look at the science, I think you have to say to yourself that the benefits of vaccination, both to protect your child and to protect society in general, far outweighs the risks.
The risks being taken by a still very small yet powerful minority. Measles was virtually eradicated in the United States by the year 2000, but last year saw a record number of 644 cases nationwide. A majority of those who were infected had not been vaccinated. In Washington, I'm Alexandra Hall for Telesur.